My father had a large tumor in the liver, so we come here in Guwahati to meet Dr. Arup. Due to his immense knowledge in this field, he done a depth test. A depth test is like an operation done by a single needle through the groin, and the medicine is directly inserted to the tumor through that catheter. Right now, after the procedure, my father did not have any complication right now, and we are hoping for a complete recovery. So I thank Mr. Arup for helping us and solving our problem and guiding us in every possible way. So I thank you, thank Mr. Arup once again. May God bless you. Thank you.